Important aspects of food costing. There are three important aspects of food costing: price, recipe mix, and tracking. The menu item pricing, of course, is the owner's responsibility to go out in the marketplace and determine the competitor's pricing, what the market can bear, and to adjust those prices according to remain competitive. Recipe mix involves the ingredient costs, what the food company charges you. So, depending on the ingredient cost and the portion you use, that drives the cost of the recipe mix for menu items. Ongoing tracking provides a daily pulse of the business based on date range, who will give you the food costing based on actual sales. The benefit of understanding and implementing food costing is that it creates an awareness of exactly where the price, the recipe mix, and what the results are generating from every action that you put into the menu. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is Ali Johar, author, speaker, and founder of Cafe72 Concept Restaurants and Skill Development Institute.